Hello, this is Amy from GroveFM.
Hello, this is Mr. Chambers here.
I hope you're all doing well at home in this really unusual time, and I hope you and your loved ones are keeping well. Some exciting news: GroveFM is now an online resource, which means we'll be able to create content and stay creative with sound and radio whilst we're all at home.
So, how's this going to work?
In the radio room, we use recorders, but there's a simple way you can record from home. So borrowing your parents' iPad, iPhone or smartphone device, or if you have your own, great, I'll just show you. There's a little app called Voice Memo. You click on it, and if you press the red button for recording, hello, testing, blah blah blah, press it again to stop, and then you can hear yourself. Hello, testing, blah blah blah. And then when you're finished with your recording, you can press the 3 dots. There'll be an option to share, and then you can email it to us at
GroveFM@gmail.com.
If you don't want to use the voice memo function, you can also video yourself, and you can let us know if you'd like to keep the video part, so keep the visual, or we can edit it so it's just your voice. And so each week we'll have a different theme you can respond to. There'll be around 5 or 6 prompts. Maybe you could do one a day, or choose the one you're most interested in, or do all of them at once.
You can spend as long as you like working on your responses and recordings, but they should be a minimum of 20 seconds.
Don't worry at all if you make any mistakes with your recording. Like in the radio room, just keep on going and send it in. We can edit it, don't worry.
It's open to everyone at Lyndhurst, and we'd love to hear from your parents and siblings too, so please, when you can, get them involved too.
And now for the theme of this week. This week we've chosen books and poetry. And here are some ideas of things you can do. A book review. What book are you reading at the moment? Or if it could be a book that your parents or siblings are reading. You can read out your favourite bit and send it together with your review. Don't forget to tell us the title and the author of the book. You could tell us who your favourite character is in the very popular children's book, and maybe make up a story about them, or you can even come up with a sequel for it. You can also send in original poetry, so any poems that you've written at home, whether it's a haiku, a short poem, whatever it is about your day would be great. You can also record a sound, so we're trying to come up with a big archive of mystery sounds. So send in any sound from your daily life and we'll see if people can guess what the sound is. We're also going to have a video on the website by Miss Jarman, see if you can guess the mystery object. And you could also give us your top tips for being at home so we can share with other children. So what's worked really well for you? What are you enjoying while being at home? What can other people do to pass the time? And anything else that you can come up with related to books, we'd be more than happy to receive. And we're looking forward to listening to all your submissions for GroveFM. Thanks everyone and take care.
Hello, and welcome to the first of our mystery objects. I'm going to show you something, and I want you can try and find out what it is. You can write a story about it, you could paint it, you could research it, see if you can tell us how it was made, where it's come from, what it's used for. Okay, so this is today's, or this week's. Is it Iron Man's smile? Is it a beautiful bracelet? So I want you to try and find out what it is and then email it. You can email to me or your teacher, and then we'll share some of your work.